Hello. Okay, we continue with the section of team. This is the third video. Previously we covered the creation of a worker and the email verification of the worker. And I will go now into all these buttons, right? I will start from the left and to the right. So this button, well, here you have a filter to search for if you have many workers, you can filter here and you find by the name. You filter by name and you will get displayed those workers filtered by this field. Okay, we start by the anyway. Remember that every button has its own tooltip. So I will not go into a lot of detail because every is very self-explanatory. But I will go a bit just a general overview. This button is to set settings. This will be done in another video, but these settings will be applied to all the workers selected here. Okay, this worker is selected. I apply the settings. I click save. If I don't click save, I don't apply the settings, and these settings will be applied to as many workers as there are here. For example, to make it more visible, I will create a fake account. Okay. Right. So we have two workers at least, and this is more visual. Right, Luis. So if I, for example, want to set settings for the two of them, I do this. The two of them are selected, and these settings will apply to these two users. If I click here, I select automatically all the workers. For two workers, it's a bit pointless, but imagine you have 300, no? If you click this, and then you set generally for all of them, and you don't need to be one by one. This button sends push notifications either to the computer or to the mobile of the worker, depending if they have both applications installed or only one. And you basically put the title, the message, and they will receive you click send, and they will receive a push notification. Okay, and applies the same principle. If you click here, will be sent to all of those who are selected. If you click here, it will be sent individually to this only to this worker, right? Okay, order by name. Well, you can see you order by name the set. Here is the total time spent in calls. Here we make some, we add you some values. For example, the total time in calls, in phone calls, the total work to cloud value, which is the indicator that we cover in another section, but basically is our way to measure the activity of this worker compared with the rest of the database, and the total time worked. So you can order the workers for total time worked. These are the generals, and these are the individual values. The time in calls, of course, these are new workers, and the numbers are always zero, right? But and then the colors, if the color is green, means that he is over the average, and if it's red, it means that this field is below the average. Okay, and of course they don't have any time tracked, so there is a zero, but as soon as they start tracking time, you would see these numbers populated. Okay, and then we have this button, the I button. You click here and you see the version of the Word2Cloud desktop application that they have installed. This only works for Windows. If you have Mac and Linux, you can ignore this directly. And here, this helps you to control in case of there is some problem or whatever. And if this appears on green color, it means that they are using the official version. And if it appears in a different color, it means that they are either using a beta version or an older version. The now appears like this because these users have not even registered with application and they haven't tracked any work, so it appears like this. Okay, and I will continue. I will make this video a bit longer because the team section is has a lot of the information. These buttons are to edit the name of the worker, Okay, I edit the name of the worker. You see, it's already edited. To edit his email, I'm not gonna do it, but it would also edit the field email. Be careful because this affects him at the moment of registering to the application, to the Word2Cloud desktop. So if you created a worker with an email and then you change it, of course he will not be able to log in to the Word2Cloud desktop with the previous email. Okay, and this is to deactivate the worker. Okay, when we click here, we deactivate the worker. Okay, we delete the worker. Right, I had to wait a moment, and it's already deleted. Okay, it's not really deleted. I mean, all his data is not deleted. Don't worry, it will be here on the section of inactive team members. But for this video, I will do this in another video. See you. Bye bye.